Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stockport Pre-Market Analysis. Let's go a little bit of recap what we have been doing. First of all, right here, we'll start with this one. DDOG trade, which we opened. We booked the profit yesterday. Make sure no one is holding DDOG. The price has dropped this morning. We booked the profit right here. We opened the trade on 15th, 21st, we opened the trade, and 28th, we booked the profit on DDOG. After that, once we exit, the price dropped. So excellent trade here. Another trade on the Meta. We traded at the bear trap 60693 to 663, 10% overnight. We knew the price will go to 728, but we did not take a trade on the earning. Very important. When the setup is not right, you do not take a trade. And why I did not take a trade on Meta? First, once we have booked the profit right away, you did not give back your profit to the market. Second, if you look at carefully, stochastic, death cross, RSI overbought right here. Tempest, yes. So again, we have a death cross on a multiple on the 4-hour time frame we were looking at. 4-hour time frame, look at this one. This MACD run right here, volume fading up, running to the 0.0 line and forming a death cross right before the earning, and the price marking the equal high. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, right at this point. That's why we did not open a trade on Meta. So this was a clear pass. Even if the price breakout, we knew it will go to 728. And the reason to 728 was this fair value gap, which has been since the earning. Okay, this gap was, we always knew it, the price will go here. Okay, precisely to 730 area. But just because right before the earning, if the price reaches to a certain pivot, certain point, then you don't take a trade, and not at the death cross. Never. Okay, the greed has to be out of the window. The greed and fear, those people in the market, a lot of people say, oh, it's a greed and fear. Anyone who thinks the market is based on greed and fear, either he's an idiot or he has no idea how market works. Okay, so greed and fear is total nonsense. Market works based on a mathematics. If you know the mathematics, you will make money here. So DDOG closed for profit, Meta closed for profit and did not trade the earning. Tesla, this particular trade we are talking about, which we have a short triangle, this trade at the market open will be in profit because we took the Meta trade and the stock has gone up right here. So right now trading at $380, $80 upside. We're bouncing off this trend line on a 4-hour time frame. There is a little bit more upside. The price will go to 474. So the wave B, since day one we have been talking about, the price is in a kind of a descending wedge here. You see that? So what will happen? The price will go up one more time from here, but only will go to 474 and then it will tank badly. So this is what you are looking at right in this area. Okay, price will go for the higher low, take down all these buy side liquidity. Point number 1, point number 2, change of character, break of structure right at this point. A, B, C, and disaster will strike on Tesla. So make sure you know that what's going to happen. A, B, C, and down, and this leg down will be exactly of this leg. Okay, so this is what's going to happen on Tesla. Do not hold any trade after 474. Till then, it's okay to run the option wheel strategy that we are running now. So the price right here, 474, this is where the price will drop back. And this price right here, why the price will come here? Again, very similar situation as the Meta. There is a fair value gap right here. You see that? This is why the price will come here, 395 area. So after this push, the price will tank badly. Option wheel will stop at 474. After that, we'll be trading downside, directional bearish trade. DVLT, continue holding your position. We do not average out unless the previous low is marked, which is 0.51. Continue holding your trade. It's a micro cap stock. Do not keep buying every few cents down. Okay. So right here. So we have a position built on this one. We have booked the profit almost about 20 times and we'll continue holding this trade. So this time, right now we are down in our trade. So we'll continue holding, and only time we'll average out is 0.51 at the value area low, right? Is this area, this point, this spread candle, closing of this candle right here, 0.51. So until the price comes here, you will hold your existing trade and you will not add more to this one. Okay, 0.51, double down your position right away on DVLT. All right, moving forward to Amazon, our existing trade, we booked the profit $474, and the second trade will give us about $640. The trade will settle for 13th of January. There is no action need to be taken. We have a covered call, which is in the loss, but when the trade will settle, we have collected the $985. We lose $3 on the share, $640 profit on the covered call. So $640 coming on 30th of January, continue holding your trade. Same thing on the Tesla. We have TSLA trade, which is arbitrage. 30 January will settle for profit. Tesla short strangle will close at market open today, and TSLL third trade, which is also the short strangle for the small account, we will also close that trade at the market open. So two trade will be closing at the market open. Amazon and TSLL arbitrage will continue holding both of them in the profits. Meta, we are out. DDOG, we are out. Microsoft, we are out. We booked the profit on the Microsoft right before the earning. We knew it. We wanted to ride this momentum right here, this one, $26 per share, and we are happy with that one, this catch. This one, we were out. Now the price is dropping back to our level. We'll be looking for the next trade as soon as possible. Maybe not today, but approximately next week, Monday or Tuesday. So we start looking for the next trade now, right here. Okay, we are targeting the lower low point. Means previous low means lower than the previous low, right, in the 4-hour time frame. And if you go scroll down, I'll show you on the daily time frame. So we are ready for the next trade on the Microsoft. When you are in profit, make sure you book the profit. And that's the only way to succeed in the market. So right here, previous low, this point on the Microsoft. So will this sell-off, which is happening right now, under this point and this red area, which is SR entry around 430 area, that's the area we'll be looking for the next entry. Okay, till then, stay clear of this one. Okay, now let's go to the regular business. It starts with Amazon itself. Okay, no action on Amazon. Continue holding the trade in profit. BMNR, we sold the covered call yesterday, but we were not looking to. I think I sold it. I have to close that at the market open. Okay, so there is no covered call on BMNR at this point. So we'll continue holding. I was just playing around, so it's fine. So I'll be closing my covered call on this one at the market open, even if it's like a $1 profit, I'm still okay with it. Okay, I'll cut that position. We are not looking to close our covered our position, and the reason being why we are not selling the covered call on this one, the price is stuck in the point of control line, not breaking the previous low, this area, equal low price bounce. Every time the price is bouncing, this is the kind of a symmetrical triangle, not clearly, but it's visible symmetrical triangle in this area. You see that it's a kind of a symmetrical triangle right in this area, and the reason being not selling the covered call is Ethereum itself. What's going on the Ethereum? Today, the market will be a little bit volatile because 3 o'clock, the Congress is voting on the clarity bill. But other than this one, on the Ethereum, what we are looking at on daily time frame? Point number 1, point number 2, higher, low. Okay, higher high, higher low. And the price is back on the trend line. So whenever the price is on the trend line, there is a breakout again. So there is a bounce from here, something like this. Okay, higher of this point. So we will not sell the covered call, but once it's the price at 3405, right away we'll be selling the covered call. So just hold for a couple of days. Next 5 to 7 days, do not sell any covered call on BMNR. So at least we'll give it over like 1 week, and after 1 week we'll reach. We'll be monitoring how the price will react to the 200 EMA right in this area. So the price is below 200 EMA right now, this black line, which is coming from here. So once the price reach of Ethereum to 200 EMA, and then we'll see if there is a rejection, right away we'll buy the merit put. If the price breakout, we'll wait and continue riding upside right here to the trend line, which is 4264 area. Okay, let's go back right in this area. Bull, continue holding a coin trade. We have started the big trade. All of you have the 15th of May and the 17th of September. I have 2 different trades, which is on 30th of June, which I got the assigned put, and I have a covered call on them. And then I have a 18th of September. I do not have 15th of May trade. I purposely took 30th of January because I wanted to build a position, because I have a lot of buying capacity. So I wanted to build a position a little bigger than the waiting all the way to 15th of May. And that's the reason that I got the put assigned. I'm very happy with this one. I got the 500 share now. Along with I have a short strangle trade, which is the big trade. And we'll continue riding this one. This trade, we will go all the way to 374. We are not cutting this stock. Will be trading entire 2026, no matter what. This year, BMNR and Coin and Tesla will continue trading these 3 stock. No exception, nothing. back to back, you'll be trading these stocks. Those who have a small account, they will be trading TSLA instead of Tesla. Okay, moving forward to Circle, what we are looking for the internal demand on this, very similar to the core view, what we saw and experienced, very similar situation. When the core view was trading at, look at this chart, bending market down, bounce right in this area. Now I'll go to the core view. So very similar chart right here. So you see this bounce right here. When the price was right here, we knew it, the price will go to 109 area, and right now trading at 109, 106 area right here. The trend line right here, and the price will sell off. So very similar. This is known as the internal demand. This demand. Okay, this is the same demand, internal demand, not the previous high, but internal right in this area. Okay, very similar. We are expecting on the circle right here. Okay, so what's going on? This bending market has completed. Our price target on the downside was 74. After 74, we are looking for the internal demand, which is SR interchange of this point. Okay, this point. So I'm looking for approximately 110, 111. Very similar setup as the core view. Okay, right here, this one, and then sell off once again. Okay, so but from here, this is the setup we are looking at right here. So right here, take down these buy side liquidity, go up price here, and then pull back, start pulling back once again. So from here, we are bullish. We are looking for 109. Slowly, the price will go upwards. Very similar as core view. Okay, moving forward to GameStop, one of the stock right here. We have been in this trade for a long time, really long time, over 7-8 months, I think, and we'll continue. We have made enough money on this one by selling the covered call merit put. We have been trading back to back. The price is bouncing. A lot of buzz around right now. The insider buy, the Michael Burry buy, and there is a lot of excitement going on. So what we are looking at, the price has already taken on a daily time frame 200 EMA, means the trend is continuously bullish, 100% bullish without any exception. What we are looking at, the price bounce and retest 200 EMA precisely. So we are pulling back into wave 4, and then wave 5, the price will go approximately around 27 to 35 area. If you go on a higher time frame, like weekly time frame, you will have a more clarity where the price is going. So where is the price going? Right from here, you see this right, this channel. Once we have this channel clear breakout right here, you see that. So we have this breakout. So we are at 200 EMA on a weekly time frame. The price will break out and will end up maximum up to this point, 35, and then pull back down into 37 area. So probably the equal high again, this point, and then pull back towards a 27 area. So 35 area is the maximum. Right at 27 to 29 area will be out of all the trade. We don't care where the price is going to 35 or is going to 100 or is going to 100,000. A lot of people are talking nonsense about when the short squeeze happen. 27 to this area will be out of all our trade. Okay, we've made enough money on this one for almost about 1 year now. Okay, we don't want to stay in this trade after we get the exit around 28 to 29 area. We'll be out. Okay, so make sure you know that. JP Morgan, we have been shorting this one for last couple of days. Okay, now no more shorting on this one because the price is bounced to the 200 EMA. There will be an internal demand wave B. So this wave we are shorting. We shorted the multiple time and we made profit on this one. Now what we are looking at, there is a trend line coming from this right here, and we'll have a wave B upside right from here. So no more short selling on JP Morgan. Okay, short selling finished. Do not short this. Moving forward to Google, highly overvalued stock, a lot of downside. This is the stock that you'll be looking for the short position. Okay, even if the earning is coming, have a call credit spread. Okay, so this is the kind of trade you take. We are already failing to break the high. Okay, right now the price is approximately 340, same equal high holding. I will still be inclined to the downside on the Google. Okay, so good to short. Small position and not big because the earning is coming. Or there are 2 points. Either you don't short on the earning or you short after the earning. Okay. So generally try to avoid the earning. Earning is only for immature trader. You know, the euphoria, the excitement. You know, when the dopamine is high in their brain and they think they will make money off the earning. So leave it for them. Okay. You trade when the trend has settled, when the dust has settled in the market, then only you trade. So you become more careful. You know what you are doing. All right. Lucid, stay clear. I'm not a big fan of this stock. I've been shorting this since $57. Shorted all the way to $1, and then they've gone through the stock split. I'm not a big fan. I made enough money off Lucid, but still, I don't like this stock at all. It's a capital intensive business, very difficult to survive. Only investment is coming from the Saudi Arabia, and I don't know how long they will survive this, because EV market is very, very competitive business, especially the Tesla and the Rivian is leading in US market. There is not scope for a luxury EV market in this world with the current economic situation. People are losing job every single day. Yesterday, the Amazon cut down 15,000 job, UPS cut down 30,000 job, Microsoft is laying off. So every company is kicking people out of their employment, out of job. And on the other hand, you are looking at the company to expand business like this one, the luxury EV market. There is not enough gap in the market for this kind of product. Okay. It may survive. I'm not saying Lucid will go bankrupt. It may survive, but this is not something the revolutionizing product. This is not quantum scape that, everyone need a solid state battery. Everyone doesn't need Lucid. There are Tesla, there are other companies, there are BMW electric car, there are Toyota electric car. There are enough option available over this car, over this Lucid. Okay, and then it's the big problem is the CEO filling up their pocket. Okay, so there is a lot of red flag on this one. So stay clear of this one. Li Auto, Chinese EV, good stock, good to buy and hold your position. We are looking at $27. We are sitting at the bottom. So continue holding your position. Okay, and 2026 again will be back in the quantum computing area. RGTI, QBTS and all this. They have gone through right here when I called the stock at the top, right at this point. Okay. I call them that this is total nonsense when they were making about $8 million, $9 million revenue and the company trading about 10 billion to 20 billion. So right at this point, they started crashing. Within like 2 or 3 days after calling and posting the tweet, the entire quantum industry started crashing. Okay. Look here, if I found you. But since they have been they have gone through 50 to 60% of correction. So I think we are back. We can consider them like adding to our portfolio and start trading them. Quantum computing is definitely the future, but not immediate future like today, tomorrow. Okay. So you need to know that you are trading these stock all the way from 2026 to 2030. Right here. You see that? Right in this one. What did I say? Really 10 million each? Trader pumping these garbage should face the jail time. So which was the date? 23rd of October. I precisely called that this garbage, that this is overvalued, hyped business. I even mentioned that these guys, those who are buying the quantum computing space, or they are pumping on the YouTube here and there, this is the future, this is the future. They damn should be put in a jail for promoting this guy. Franchise in a corner makes more money than these quantum computing. So fundamental does matter. It doesn't matter that, you are a quantum computing, that's it, you will revolutionize the future, you will lead the world. Nobody gives a damn. If you're making $8 million revenue, you have no right to trade for $20 billion as a market cap. So right here, you see that? Biggest Wall Street scam in 2025. And I called it precisely to the point. But now we are a buyer of this. Even though we call them the scam, the reason being we call them the scam because when they were trading at this price, 47. So everything when they go through a decent correction, when the price become normal, like in a fair value area, then there is no harm to buy. So we can start considering quantum computing stock now. QBTS, QBT, right here. Look at this one. Again, another from 25 to 11, more than 50%. Then you have RGTI, another same situation right here. 13th of October, they marked the top. And now again on the trend line. So now we can start looking for the trade on this one. Okay, on all the quantum computing stock. Moving forward to Tempus AI, the price has gone through the 200 EMA. I will not take a trade. If you're looking for the trade on this area, also wait for 58 area. There is another $6 downside right here, another 10%. So let the price go down. Okay, right at this order block, this should be your buy entry. And especially, we have closed 2 trade in profit on this one in Tempus in the last 2 weeks back, I think, right in this area, right here. And then we traded all the way this one. Yes, I'm looking at the SNDK next. All right. So what we are looking at, let this bending market go back. Okay. Look at previously what kind of trend the stock is following. If you pay close attention, you will get the idea what's the next going to happen. Price drop, bounce. Next time, take the previous liquidity. Price drop, bounce, take the previous point. Bounce, take the previous point. So the price is going down here. It's not up. Price is going like this. It will take down this point, something like this. And that's where the bottom will be found, somewhere around 50 area. Okay. Right here. We have a death cross on the MACD. We have a negative algo and we have a stochastic negative. Everywhere there is a red flag of this stock. So this is not going up from here. It will continue selling off. You should be looking at a downside trade. Price is below 200. You may retest it and drop. It means it's failing to break. Moving forward to SNDK. All right, SNDK, we are looking for the short entry. This garbage, again, daylight, broad light scam by the Wall Street. Every time you see the stock, which has gone crazy run up like this one, how much this gave a run? 1,000% in a year. The stock was trading about 2024 area, 25, now trading at 536. What made this company? What do they make? A data storage? They're not making the chip. They're not making, they have no role play in the AI industry or anything. A data storage is fine, data company. There is a company called iNote. There is a company called DVLT. Okay, there are another company like Amazon. Amazon is also in the same business, AWS, right? So there is no reason for this stock to break out like this one. This is all pump and dump, very similar to that we call the CVNA. Look at this one, what happened? Okay, even it's bouncing back. Now it's 428, 429 back, but right from it dropped from right here. 480, 490 to 375. That's $100. And look here. It was precisely called CVNA. There is no reason for a used car company market to be this high. It's a nonsense. The stock was trading at $3 and then it went to $500 suddenly. What happened? What changed in this world? Nothing. People are losing more jobs. People are buying less car. People are like making less money in the crypto, in the stock market, because people are losing money continuously. The market has been wild for the last couple of months, especially since October. And the and used car company price is going up and the stock. And that's in $1 billion. So this is another scam, institution organized scam. They will keep pumping the price. By the time retail realize what happened to them, and those who are long enough in the trading, they know that there used to be a company called Sawa. There used to be a company called BlackBerry, David T, CCIV, which eventually became the Lucid. Okay. So we have seen this movie multiple times. We have seen it enough. If you've been in the market since 2020, 2018, you have seen this enough, this garbage. Company like CVNA. Okay. Or same thing with the SNDK. When they crash, they don't go through correction of 5%, 10%. They crash like 50%, 80%. Yeah, I think they're voting, but let's say there will be some positive news out of that. If this voting, I don't know when it will be approved. There is no way to know what the government is doing. But I think on the clarity bill today, they are voting something on the crypto something. Okay. So if the vote is positive, like both the party, the house passes something, like, oh, the vote, I think we should be getting the result today itself. Okay. Around 3, we'll have more clarity. That's what's going on about the crypto industry. So if it passes, definitely that's a bullish thing for the crypto. We'll have a more clarity, more deeply integrated. The bank will start offering the product. So there's a lot will happen about the crypto industry. Okay. So, okay, move forward to Palantir. Palantir is stuck between the 200 EMA trend line, both sides. Do not take a directional trade on this one. Short triangle, both side credit. Okay, do not buy downside trade like a bearish trade. Do not take a bullish trade. Go short triangle with hedging. Iron condor is the perfect trade. Credit, iron condor. That's how you trade. Price is holding the support line and price is not breaking the trend line. SNDK, what I did not tell. SNDK. We are waiting for the candle to fail. We will not short right now. SNDK, you see that it's a momentum candle. This candle is a momentum candle, and the price is bouncing up 537, higher than the current candle. Means that at the market open, there will be a momentum candle formation right here. So we will not short at this candle. So next candle, already looking at the price, we see the candle forming up like this one. Okay. So if the candle form like this one, we don't want to short. We'll wait for the next candle. Okay. Let the candle fail. Let the candle have a divergence on the top. One candle like this one. You see that, like this one. So current candle, which is I'm looking at the price 536, is going to be a momentum candle upside. Okay. So do not short. Do not short SNDK. We will short maybe tomorrow or day after. Today is the earning, and let's see how this candle will hold. When is the earning? Today? Okay, 29th of January after the market close. Okay, the whole day will be monitoring this on a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, if the candle fail, then we'll open the short position. Otherwise, we'll not open the short position. Okay, so let's monitor what's going to happen. Do not short right away, like at the market open. This is not the short position, because right now the price is pumping and we are in a momentum candle. HIMS. HIMS is sitting at the bottom. It will take some time before it go up. Right here, if you look at. So this was the bottom candle right here. We left the gap right here. The price will go up. The first price target will be around 33. Facing the first resistance. On a daily time frame, we are looking at, there is a lot of upside, okay, on a daily time frame. So the price is trading at the value area low, the green line, if you see on my chart, this VRVP indicator right here. The value area low right here. So price is sitting at the bottom. There is no downside. There is no upside right from this point. The price will be sidelined for a while before the momentum candle appear right here. So we are waiting for the big buy here. Okay, the day when you have a big candle right here, okay, like this was the bottom, and then you have this momentum candle right here. So similar candle will appear, and then the price will start shooting up, and this is where the resistance is sitting, around 52 area right here. Eventually this price will go here. Nothing can stop that. This is the area. You see the high volume area right here on the chart. This is the maximum upside volume area, this bar here. Okay, so from here, when the price will go up, first resistance is this high value area, which is 44 area, and also the point of control line. So this is something you are looking on HIMS. So price here will go here, facing a solid resistance, may pull back or may become a sideline in this area again before the next breakout. Right here, the price will fail. Price will not go above 58. Okay, so around 58, make sure you are out of all the trade, because this is where the price will end and again pull back into the point of control line. Okay, so this is something we are looking at, and that this bending market will complete right here. This pattern will complete like this one. Okay, so right here, sitting at the bottom, we are waiting for the bounce, like before it starts jumping. Tempus is done, HIMS is done, SNDK is done. What trade is the best? Let us know when it breaks. Yes, we are waiting today. We'll be monitoring throughout the day. Approximately 2:30, 3 o'clock, I'll be looking at SNDK to see how we plan the trade. Okay. So moving forward, Mara sitting at the bottom, good trade to buy right in this area. When the Bitcoin shoot up, this will shoot up. Once the Bitcoin crosses 99,000, the Mara will start shooting up. Till then, you will see the sideline action. Moving forward to Meta, stay clear, no trade at all. 728 was our maximum price target. This fair value gap filled. Now I'm bearish on Meta. Clearly bearish. Long term, the price will start declining over the next 3 months, 6 months. The price will go like continue declining. Okay, the upside is done. Moving forward to Netflix, do not sell the covered call. We are looking for the bounce on this area. We also got the MMC today. Within next 30 days, the price is looking to bounce approximately 20%. So we'll be out of this one. Moving forward to NEO, good stock. 438 was our bottom. We are at the trend line right here. We are waiting for the breakout. The price will go to $7. Morgan Stanley upgraded to $7. That $7 is your Fibonacci retracement right here. So you don't need an analyst to tell you that the price will go to $7. Right here, previous high, Fibonacci retracement, extension into 7.51. My price target is 753. That's where exactly the price will go and sell off. Moving forward to NVIDIA, we have the earning coming up right in this area. Okay. The price has been sidelined, okay? Although I'm bullish on NVIDIA. Overall bullish, looking for $208 price target. But right here, what you are looking at? You are looking for the parallel channel right in this area. You see this right here? The price is in a zigzag pattern right inside this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this one, okay? So price breakout comes back to the channel, and again the very similar situation on the earning. We'll see the breakout, and again we will come back in the channel, because the market has reached, you know, when your market cap is 4 trillion, there isn't enough space for you to run. It's too big. It's like it has become an elephant. So when you become an elephant, you start walking very slow, you know. So it's a very similar situation. NVIDIA, if last couple of quarter, if you see this quarter right here and right from here, which was starting from August, and it's been almost about 5 months, the price has not shown any action. Why? Because it's too big. It's a circular economy. We know that what's NVIDIA is playing game with OpenAI, Oracle, and all this. There is no new money coming in the market. There is no new business coming in the market. They're playing game with the retail investor, pumping the rotation of money. So NVIDIA investing $5 billion on OpenAI buy back the $5 billion chip from the NVIDIA. So there was no new order. There was no money. There was nothing. It's called circular economy. They're playing the game. And that's the reason for last 5 to 6 months. When they started playing this game, the price has become sideline because everybody knows it's a game they are playing. Then OpenAI goes and invests in Intel. NVIDIA invests in Intel. The government acquired 10% of Intel. Intel invests in OpenAI. OpenAI buy the chip from Intel, and this is a total bullshit going on in the chip industry. And that's the reason price has been sidelined. Okay. Moving forward to Rivian, bullish, $3 upside, insider demand. Okay, market is open. Let's look at the account first. We'll be paying attention to Tesla trade. And then we'll start looking at all this other stuff. All right, coin 235 call, giving me approximately here. Neosynthetic. Wow. What happened to Neo? Bounce right here, $5 plus. Very good. Neosynthetic is in profit, everyone. Excellent profit. So we have $9 credit. How the hell is what's going on this trade? TSLA combo is profit, but tiny profit. Will continue holding this one. Neosynthetic is in profit big time, but 8-9% bounce, and that's what I was looking at. Okay, but how the hell we are? What's the closing of this trade looks like? $9 credit. How the hell this will be like credit? What the hell? I'm literally confused how the hell this trade will be closed right now. So we have a credit trade. To make money, we need to keep the credit, right? So 0, 0. What the hell is this? Okay, let me adjust the coin covered call first. There are approximately $500 to take here, so that's good. 260, 2.60. Buy back this call to 60. Okay. Neosynthetic. Oh shit, I'm confused. Okay, so we had a credit trade of 10 cents. To keep this credit, we need to have a $0 debit, right? What's going on here? I'm literally unable to understand what's going on here. We are in profit, but how the hell this trade is working here? Okay. Okay, so we have put, which we have credit buy back for 70 cents, 65.5. What's going on here? This is $5 put. Sometimes you know the trade, you are in profit, but you get confused how the things are. Okay, so give me a few minutes. I'm just trying to understand what's going on here. Okay. because it's a long synthetic, because it's a pennies, and that's what confusing me. So 80 cent, 70, 10 into 10. Okay, so 0.70. Okay, 0.68. Point 70. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, coin is coming down hard, even though it may take 3 to 6 months. Coin is yes, coin is coming down. Probably this is where it is going. Coin is not going down. In fact, crypto is red today. You are not looking at crypto. Look at the crypto on the right hand side. Everything on the crypto side is selling. It just turned 5 to 6%. That's why the coin is down. Coin. Short call 2:30, 15th of May. Hold. What's going on here? Market is fluctuating wildly both sides right now. Okay, so 5. This is $5 put. $5 call. What the hell? I just got closed. Oh, okay. All right. Now I know what's going on. New synthetic here. $5 put. 70. Still have 5. Buy. 75. 80. Okay, so let me look at what's going on here. So, okay, so I brought in, why it says 155. Neosynthetic. Neosynthetic is giving me hard time to understand. There is bloody $3,000 profit already on this. $3,350. Okay, so this one I have a short put, which is long synthetic here. Okay, very good. $5. This one. Okay. 1073. This goes 73. Okay, 75. Okay, so 2. That's 20. All right. So we're making approximately $3,500 on this one. The price is bouncing off. Small account can book the profit on neosynthetic. Okay, the large account continue holding. We have a solid profit going on, but some small account probably can take the profit, because if you don't want to hit with kind of margin call or anything. Yes, hold. I cannot do anything about your excess liquidity. Please understand. That's the area beyond my control. Why it's not in profit? Why it's not in profit? Go and check your trade once again. Expand your trade. I have the same trade. I'm sitting $3,350 profit on 100 contract. When you go to when you look at the spread, then you look at it. It's a little complicated. That's what I've been saying for the last 20 minutes, that I'm a little bit confused on this. But when you go in this, you had a $14 debit, okay, right here, 4-cent debit. 4-cent debit, now it's trading at a credit. Okay, right here. So I'll hold this. I'm holding Neo trade as it is. I'm not closing this. I'm just trying to understand what's going on here. All right, so the price need to bounce from here. 695, SNPY is showing the weakness. Tesla, what happened to Tesla? Bloody damn. So Tesla short, lost the gain. Not much, but a little bit. Okay, so we hold the trade, we couldn't close it. All right, Tesla has a lot of downside. This is how practically the price should go. Right from here, go back into 70 and then come to 370 area. That's the right way of price going down. Internal demand right from this point. Go 670 area, right equal high of this point. Right, this one. So that's the right way of selling Tesla downside. And so, and this will form the head and shoulder pattern stuff. Yeah. All right. So continue holding Tesla, TSLA, every trade, neosynthetic. Okay. Here. Coin is shitting badly because of the crypto sell-off today. They're supposed to have a good day for crypto. Like they're voting on a clarity bill, and this is what the shit is happening right now in the crypto. That's why it's so difficult to figure out how the market will react to the event. Okay, and I can guarantee you by end of the day they will pump entire crypto because they're trying to throw people off the chart right now. 5 to 6% drop on the crypto. The crypto, only this piece of shit is not selling. S&P 500. Rest everything is selling. Okay, 260. Okay, the call. Okay, what happened here? What happened here? Coin. Synthetic 510. What's going on? Okay, this one 70. This is sold 5, 10, 10 into. Okay, 10 into 1000. Coin at 245. Coin put assigned. Wix call shorted. Coin 235 sold at this point. Where is the covered call? Okay, it got bought here to 60. Okay. Coin 202, 20, 50, 30. 375, 380, 3.80, 390. So let's sell it. 390, order filled. All right. Coin long synthetic is down, but not much. So we are okay with it. As of now, we'll see how it turn out moving forward. This call has lost the 100% value. Wix is shooting up. Okay. Wix 1892. Okay. Smaller time frame. Yeah, this is what we were looking at on the Wix. Go covered on Wix right now, everyone. Sell covered call on Wix. That's 20th of March, $1.20 call. and collect premium. This is against $16 long call. Okay, just make sure you know that this is the trade $16 long call. So go covered on VIX. The VIX will pull back. We already got the algo picked up. We already have the equal high of this point. Time to sell the call as fast as possible. 1530, NEO is holding. Sorry, NEO is bouncing. What was this bounce for? What happened here? What's the news? Rivian versus NEO. Which EV manufacturer stock is worth buying? Morgan Stanley sees the NEO momentum building. Okay, Abu Dhabi folds, CY and holding. There's no news here. What the hell is going on? 432, the garbage is again pumping. A lot of bag holder probably trying to. Okay, what happened to you? What does your board do? What does your board charge a month? We are not looking for new member get lost from here. We don't have time. What are you replying to? Okay, that's fine. This is good. So let's close this. Social media, no more engagement. Okay, what's the question here? SPI going down slowly? Yes, it has to go. If everything is selling, and that's what I was telling you yesterday. When the price goes up, don't, if you have a short position, every day we are struggling. Every day we are struggling for the market, okay? Because a lot of people are in the world overall, entire market, everyone is losing money, right? Because the market is not working. Most of the stock are like 50-60% down from all-time high since October. And one side you have a short position and the people panic, oh my god, I have a short position, SPY is going up. Where the hell will it go? Nowhere. Because we know that the entire market will sell off. Look, NEO again pulling back down. The shit was just trading over 5.1 and now 488. Because this candle, this kind of pressure, it won't hold. So 473 fair value gap right here, 473, and then it will go up. Wave 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's cool. So 488 TSLA NEO $5 call, $46 in loss here. NEO May 15th. Okay, May 15th, $5 short put has. What the hell? Okay. Put premium is not coming back. Give us an 80 back, piece of shit. Okay, Netflix. There's a lot of shakedown going on today. 70 DVLT. 69. Okay, circle because it's the crypto thing. Again, coin, again, crypto thing. Trying to bounce off here to a 2. So let's see if this pulls back. BMNR, Amazon. Okay, so overall we are good. $19 right here. All right. So have we hit the price target on the VIX yet? No, the price target is here, 20. So there is a little bit more. So another 1 or 2 days, you will see a little bit more upside on the VIX. But it's better to collect the premium here. We have reached the point. The Fibonacci rate is for 922. 1922. Coin at 230 call sold is in profit. Yes, you can book the profit and sell something else. But make sure you sell something else because crypto is wild and the coin is directly related to this one. just call for profit. Make sure you sell something in the market. I keep repeating for last 15 days. Make sure you're selling something. Don't buy the damn thing in the market. I've been saying long enough. Okay, 230 call is in profit. You close the call, sell something else. 240, 250, sell something. But make sure you're selling. It's buying is over since October. You cannot buy anything. 7166 SMCI $40 put. SMCI again pulling down. Okay, TSLA combo holding at break even. So because the Tesla is okay, let's see if this comes back right here. Trading at the trend line, there's no reason for it to sell off. What do you want? What do you want, my friend? What happened to Neo? The damn shit just bounced like $3,000 profit and pull back everything back to break even. Shit. Okay, the breakout has already happened, so there's a good sign right here. Okay, this resistance and the downline. Okay, the target should be here, which is 628 minimum. Thema bullish, RSI about to turn bullish. So I think we'll see the momentum building up from here on Neo. Okay, so this is our principal candle of the trend. Probably this is the candle created by the Morgan Stanley before the upgrade. They bought it right here. So this particular candle. Once we break above the, which is 482, right now trading at 483. So precisely we are in a breakout situation. Margin deficit, show me entire account, man. I hate this. When I ask you show me account, you bloody show me every time from the phone, and I don't understand a damn thing about what's going on. You don't even trade with a laptop. You need the 40-inch screen to trade so that you see the data clearly on the screen, what's going on. Anyone who's trading with the phone, please quit trading. Simple advice. Trading doesn't work on the phone. 1 or 2 trades sometime, it's okay. If you're driving or you're on holiday or something, you can look at the phone. Trading doesn't work on phone. All right, so this is one here. We are looking for $389, 390, 230. 390 gives us 230, 30, 90, and we'll have a bull put spread of this short triangle, $199 down. Okay, so all right, so what we have here, so many trade. You're over trading, man. You're over trading. How the hell do I control this? Okay. Number of contract. With the quantity. We have tough time. Another one more day left for the tough time, okay? We knew it from 16 January to 30th January. Right here, if you look at the Discord. So this, whatever the market crypto selling off today, it's not random, okay? Don't say, oh, the market is selling off, I didn't know it, okay? You knew it, everything. You see the pin bar right here? Look at this message. Mark your calendar, sell off start on 16 January, uncertainty period on 13 January onward. You see that? This was the drama date, 30th of January, the government shutdown thing. So we already know that today and tomorrow, and it's the last Friday of the month. So don't suddenly wake up and say, oh, why crypto is selling, why coin is selling, why this is selling. We knew it, this shit will happen on 30th of January. And we knew it back on 12th of November. So if you don't plan right for those dates, which is alerted to you in 3 months in advance, then you have a problem. $7.27. Okay, negative. Where is the 200 EMA here? Okay, right here. So 3041. 5, 1, 2. Okay, seems interesting here. Not bad. Change of that has already happened. So 1, 2. Okay. Smaller time frame 1 to 3. Okay. Neo, Tesla, NVDA, Netflix. Yes, I will have to log into your account. That's a problem. Yeah, give me the authorization to your account now. Okay, authorize code. Come on, give me the code quick. I'll log into your account. If you're listening, give me the code. You will have a code on your phone. Mobile authentication code from Interactive Broker. Give me the code quick. Okay, 760. 760. All right, so here we go. So what's going on your account? Let's look at it. Come on. Log in. I have other account too. Oh, Interactive Broker is blocking me. Check the code once again on your phone. IP address changes suddenly. You are in India, I'm in Canada, and suddenly the system recognizes why. How did the person in like 1 minute went from India to Canada in 1 minute? 24127. Okay. They track the IP address where your account is logged in. Okay, now not connecting. All right, logged in. Okay. BBI call is fine. BMNR is fine here. Coin, you have 240 short punt, 240 punt the 15th of May. I'll sell the call here. 240 short punt, 240. So let me go 1437. No, we have to hold this now. DVLT 4582, hold this. Netflix 90, call 2, 90, put 2, hold it. Resolve, Resolve 291, you're holding. SoFi spread, you're holding this as well. So we have 21st put 26, put short 21st put call spread. Combo of 195 call is expiring. 190 call here has 237, 182 put has I can close NVDA your trade for right now. We have reached the maximum profit on this one. Do you remember if you booked the NVIDIA profit before? What was the profit if you know that? Because the put and there is no value left in this one. I think we booked some about, I don't know, 400 something or 295. Can you confirm? Profit on NVIDIA. I think we did some about two. I can look at your old screen. I can find out here somewhere. Give me a few minutes, guys. Some in between of something. Okay, NVIDIA. Buy one call 280, 284, 67 profit on coin. Don't remember how much did you book here. Yeah, we booked some profit, so I'll cut NVIDIA position, okay, because there is only like, I think we made about 295. Now the current loss on the trade is $43. So it's a net profit of $250. I'll cut this position. Otherwise, what will happen, 30th of January, which is tomorrow, and the theta will kill our call. So yeah, 189. So I'll cut this position for, I'm cutting it for $39 loss, okay. 164 debit, 162.25. We had a credit of 164 here. Credit and credit and credit. 190 call if the we go. Yeah, so we have to cut it. We have reached the maximum profit on this one. 164 debit 2.30. So 2.30. Oh, you don't have the live data, looks like. Okay. $2 debit. No. Okay. NVIDIA order filled. Okay. Right. Okay. NVIDIA is gone. I cut it. I cut the trade for $36 loss. As long as I remember, we did some $494 profit on this one. So we are in net profit of $450. So we are good. Tesla combo 420, 420 call, 445 call. I'll hold this, although I can close about $2,400 here in profit. Shall I adjust the trade? It's 30th of January. Okay. 30th of January. I should adjust the trade for Tesla. 380 put 445, 380, 13, 16. So right now trading at 423, 420. 380 put 445 call. This will go worthless. Okay. What's going on here? So we're losing 15. Why this call has a premium of 1235? How can it be possible? 420. Okay, we'll hold this thing for tomorrow. 420 call tomorrow on Tesla. Give me a few minutes, guys. Give me a few minutes. I'm in between of something. 420 call tomorrow. How can I have? Okay, right now the price is 23. 420 call have a $8. $8 gives us the premium here is $8. So we made $1,600 into two, $3,200 here. Okay, this will go worthless. So this cross out. We are happy with this one. And this goes out. And this got assigned. So 445 minus 12.29. So that gives 432, 420. Okay, we'll hold the trade. Okay, we hold everything, just the NVDA, rest everything is good. We'll continue with this one. I'll sign out now. We'll see how the market will react tomorrow. 23 messages, come on. In the morning, everyone start bombarding. No one is learning. No one is learning how to adjust their trade. Yes, I know that. Yeah. So we'll hold the Tesla till tomorrow. I know it was a mistake what you did. So it's fine. We'll adjust this trade tomorrow. That's fine. Mistake does happen. I did mistake last week. Mistake is part of the game. S&P 500 is green, right? That's what patience pays off. Yes. So yesterday, someone was shitting in the pit. Oh my God, S&P 500 is going up. That's it. It's gone up. When you have S&P 500 short is your hedge against the market. 690.31, we shorted at exactly 690 some cents. The trade is green. That's it. It only took like 48 hours. Patience, patience, patience. And that's what I keep saying. Have patience. Trade goes against you multiple times. Now cut the S&P 500 short put. Sorry, short position. Yeah, 689.63. Cut it. When I tell hold, nobody wants to hold. Who was that SP 500 guy? Going up, going up, going up. This behavior destroys people in trading. That first you want to get in the trade, you're eager to get in the trade. Oh, let me buy something. You wake up in the morning, let me buy something. And once you're in a trade, as soon as you open the trade, you start panicking. Oh my God, why did I buy this? It's going up against me. It's going up out against me. This behavior kills you. And this is the behavior which will never make you a successful trader. First, you don't want to wait. And once in the trade, then you don't want to hold it. What changed overnight? You see that? S&P 500? It went against us approximately $8 per share. Okay? $8 against us per share. But we were holding. We knew it where the shit is going. Everything is overvalued. Market will crash. I told, what were my exact wording yesterday? That you will regret not having a short position enough on S&P 500. What happened today? It's on your screen. Look at this one. That's what I told you, that you will regret not having enough short position. And here is the result. It did not take like more than 24 hours and the price crashed. It's normal when the meta bounce. It's very normal to have euphoric behavior. Oh my God, everything is going up. I could have buy this. I could have made this much. You need to know where the overall market is. I'm closing the S&P 500 short position now. $85.75, now cutting it in profit. That's it. $67.75. Okay, here we go. So S&P 500 short position closed in a small profit. Yes, I do have a pretty chart. I always have something. This candle will bounce back because we have just bounced to 34 EMA, okay? So the price will go up once again. So better you cut the short position on S&P 500. Overall, the price will go to 6668.15. I have multiple time mentioned the price will go to 666.39. There is no power in this world which can stop S&P 500 to drop to 666.39. I can give you in writing, but people don't have a patience. Open the trade and 30 minutes down the line, they start questioning, oh my God, it's going up. Literally 51 minutes, they don't have a patience. Netflix short put. What do you want to do on Netflix short put? Where is your Netflix? GameStop. Close your entire position. The market will make people to go through the pain, and when they are in a short position, then they are like frustrated why it's going against them. You should be lucky that it's going against you. You can short more. MSTR and crypto, yes, that's the problem today. Everything is red. Yeah, you look at this one, 6, 7, 8%. Everything is 7 to 8%. I'm surprised. The Bitcoin is like 4% down today. This is what the market behavior is. The day you understand this, what's going on with the crypto right now? Today, 3 p.m., we have a voting, right? So what happened day before yesterday when I mentioned this week there will be a pump and dump, and you see this week, last week I told you there will be a pump and dump. What is this? Right from 25th of January, Sunday, the crypto started pumping, and now what's happening? Dump. And that's exactly I pointed. The first they will pump it and then they will dump it by 30th of January. It's a lot of things happening in this event this week, and when you have a lot of economic news in a week, this is what happens. And Monday again, I'm telling you now, Monday again, the crypto will start recovering. You will see that. Sunday night, most likely Sunday night, late night, you will see crypto recovering again. They just want to throw people off the grid, of the chart. Look at this one. Equal low down here, value area low on a 4-hour time frame. I think we'll hold this price right here. This piece of shit has been like garbage. My God, I don't know why the hell this stock was trading at $500. We got played with this shit as well. The biggest regret of having this, not shorting this garbage here at 459. MSTR will be the biggest regret of my trading career, not shorting this. I knew it at some point that this is trading overvalued as a proxy of Bitcoin. But then it dropped to 319 area and we started buying thinking, okay, enough correction has gone through, because there was 20% down and we thought, okay, now is the limit. And it never stopped. Okay, 689.27. You see that? Next short on S&P 500 will be 693.66. If you are lucky, you'll get this price. Otherwise, you'll not get it because it's continuous selling. You have a death cross on a 4-hour time frame, and now the shit will tank badly. So when I tell you short and hold your position, sometimes I feel like I don't know what's wrong with people. Palantir. Okay, what's going on the Palantir? Palantir, I covered this morning in the pre-market. So Palantir, what's going on here? I told you only go for short triangle. It's not bullish, neither bearish. Okay, so right here, look at this one. It was here, right here. So I told you the price can go to this support line and this resistance. So this is the range basically right here, and that's what's happening. So you see the trend line, right? And you see the black support line right here. So this is the range we are looking at. This coming from higher high to the lower high to the third lower high, which makes you around $180, and the down point number one, higher low, and higher low. So very similar back 140. So there's a range between 140 to 180 area. This one. Yeah, Palantir is the most overhyped stock in the market right now. There's no reason for this stock should trade above $60. If I show you on weekly time frame, you'll understand what I'm talking about. This is weekly time frame. Okay, what is the 200 EMA right here, which is at $75? Why the price will constantly stay above 200 EMA, not retest the 200 EMA right here, which is $75? So you see, it's highly overhyped. Revenue, this, that, surveillance, government, nobody gives a damn. When the market sell off, no one cares how good you are in surveillance, how many government contracts you have. When the market sell off, it will make people bleed. Few months back, look here, quantum computing, everything was fantastic. Quantum computing, every single day there is an article about quantum computing. They will go to change the world. What happened? It's gone. Same thing. All right. Again, the coin call 230. Yes, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today, don't, I have told you at least 1,000 times. Don't react to every candle. Today, right now, the crypto is selling off. This crypto selling off right now, all across the board, the crypto is selling off. This is not the end of the world. Today, it's selling off because it's the last Friday of the month. All across the board, there will be sell-off. Today, we have a 3 o'clock, the bill voting happening. So there is a lot happening today. This is not the end that, oh, today crypto is selling and everything. Oh my God, now the crypto is finished. Stop reacting to single daily candle. Like, oh, one day green, oh, I'm excited. One day red, oh shit, now it's going to crash. Again, the next day is green, oh, euphoria is back. Stop reacting to every candle. There's nothing wrong with crypto. Today it's selling off, Monday it will be green. It's sell before the news. It's normal. If you look at the Bitcoin is trading at 85. What did I say in the Discord? 94. BTC. I just told you a couple of days back, it can sell off to 84. Just now, when did I say 84? When someone asked me. Running up. We are still looking for upside target 107. Short term 84. Yes, 100%. That's what the problem is. The stock is too much down, like 50-60% down, and bloody S&P 500 is holding all-time high. Obviously, there is a panic in the market. There has been a very, very bad manipulative market right now. The S&P 500 is all-time high, and most of the stock, if you look at, they have already crashed 40 50%. Like coin, BMNR, okay, other stocks, they're up to 60% down. Palantir, I don't suggest any trade. If you look at here, Palantir, right here, you see this new channel building up. Unless this thing, you see that right head and shoulder pattern here, right here, not. So this is where the resistance channel is coming down right here. If I change the color, you'll see it clearly. So this is your resistance and this is your support line coming from this area. So unless the price drop even further right here, so right here, here, I will not take a trade. And my trade will long position on, this is my ultimate low, 105. That's where the trend started. There was no change here. This was my principal candle. The market was holding here. So this was the first pullback. This was, so this was not the pullback. This was range bound, and this was the first pullback. So first pullback here. This is where I see the bottom of Palantir right here, 128 area, and you see here the price dropping to this angle right here. So 128 is the bottom. I'll take for Palantir right here, this one, right here, this area. So I will not take any trade on this one until the price comes to 128. So there is a lot of downside. And where this price is coming from, if I show you, you can look for the internal supply. So this point to this point, body to body, right at this candle. You see this candle right here, opening of this candle. You see that by default, the price comes to this range right here, 128 area. This supply is repeating after this candle. So price drops, sideline, repeat. Sideline, right, ABC, point ABC down. So 128 is probably the bottom for Palantir, $128. Till then, it's not worth. Looks like a sign out day. Huh? There is nothing in the market today. Oh, there is a lot of going on with the Trump insider and all this. Oh, you have no idea how much dark pool trading activity has increased. On my screen now, on YouTube, there is a lot of manipulation, 100%. Okay, there is no doubt about that. Especially Trump insider and all this. You know, the big player like billionaire, they are doing a lot of shit in the market for last couple of months. Since there's all this, one day I will announce the tariff, one day I will take it back. You know, this shit has been going on for a months now. Look at this one. Look at the speed. Millions and millions being poured every second. So if you look at Tesla, look at this one. Every second there is about $200,000 transaction going on back to back, 27, 20, like faster than the second. And this is all dark pool. So there is a billions and billions are trading every single day. It's a $24 million transaction which is going on right now. So they're 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, $24 million transaction. This entire trade is single block. Market has become painful. 2026 especially, let me repeat, I've been saying it for a week, not week, since October. 2026, only the seller will survive. Okay. Buyer will not make money in 2026. And the reason being, this is the year that you run the option wheel and you keep rotating and rotating and rotating and keep making money. That's it. Year for short seller. Volatility is coming back in the markets. A lot of manipulation. When you close the trade, you need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, hold. If I have this thing, okay, so I'm making about $300 here. So 10, okay. 18th of September. 18th of September, the long put. Make sure you don't touch them. Okay. The long synthetic, we have a long put 190 area, 195 area. Don't touch them. Those are the defense line for us against the long synthetic. It's in profit, so don't try to take those $300, $400 and think, oh, let me get out of the long put. You continue holding long put. Because I already feel the eagerness. Someone might be thinking right now, this put is in profit, let me close. 35 to 10. $43.37. Let me get this. $62 credit right here. Okay. What? $862 credit. 8.65. So I'll take this. No, order not filling up. Come on. 860 credit. No. 850 credit. Order filled. Okay. $850 credit here. Let me see what's going on. Okay, $850 credit on this one. So this one adjusted, this one is adjusted. I brought in $841 here. This will adjust. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, so this one is your 60, 250, 60, 190, 195.33 upside. We have a coin 500 share. Okay, right now losing about $10,000 on this one. Oh, wow. Coin trade, coin, come on. Today the crypto sell-off is shaking coin. Broken the support line right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come to 300, you piece of shit. Oversold on daily time frame. Coinbase had entered the oversold area right here. RSI oversold. Okay. So let's see if the Bitcoin starts a little bit of recovery in here. Enough of this shakeout. Yeah, it's coming back, hopefully. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 84 looks real practical area to me. That's when last week I mentioned, because 84 is coming from somewhere. If I see on a 4-hour time frame, yeah, right here. So this 84 is coming from this point. You see this 84 440, this area, right? This wick. This is what I was looking at. When I say 84, this is what I was looking at. So this point, which is on 18th of December, I think 18th of December liquidity, it will swipe this area and then go up. You see that? And the price, this is where I'm looking at. So make a lot of sense for Bitcoin to go at 84 and then start recovery. Yeah, looks like. $84K. You see this? This is the alert I was talking about. Look here. I alerted in crypto channel right here. This one. It can drop to 84K next, and we will see the pump and dump from Tuesday to Friday. Look at this one. When I was talking about something, this is what I was talking about right here. So I saw it coming. It's not that there is nothing. So right here, when you go to crypto channel right here, and you type 84K right here, you see that? What is that? Group chat, this message here. This one. It can drop to 84K, and next we will see pump and dump from Tuesday to Friday. So today is Thursday. So we are right in the center of the pump and dump. Okay, I saw this 84 coming when the price was trading around 98 area last week. Because that's how the liquidity works. They will go exactly where the previous low is. Gold is tanking very hard. Gold has to tank, my friend. Yesterday, when I said it's top, someone right away replied, no, look, it's gone up 5% from the tweet. We know the shit where it's going. That's the problem. Look. So if people don't have patience, how long the gold and silver, the shit can keep going up? How long? Every trend has an end. The day you understand this, you know that what the hell is going on. Look at this one. This is how the market behave. Market will make you buy right at the top, create the FOMO. Oh my God, buy the gold, buy the gold. Gold is never going to stop. Gold is the future. Gold is this, gold is that. And when every Tom, Dick, and Harry buys the gold at the top, that's it. The end of the trend. Today, sell-off, don't take it serious. I'm telling you. Monday, they will pump the market. So what they will do, they will sell off today and tomorrow, and most likely Sunday evening, late night, the future will open and they will open green. Now, Tesla is trading at support line here. Oh, you want Google chart? I thought it's a Tesla. Google, I'm not a big fan. The price is very high. If you are looking, take a short position right here. The morning I told you take a short position. Call credit spread right at this price. This is where the price was 346, and I told you call credit spread. And right here 327. Where it will fall, minimum target 200 EMA, 313. So there is another $14 downside. Don't hesitate to short the market. Please understand, we have shorted S&P 500 more than 42 times. Not even a single time we booked the loss. Back to back 42, 43 trade in profit. short trade. So that tells you some story. Okay. Yeah, the coin is damn shit. I don't know what's happening because of the crypto. Today it will be painful. Today, short covered. Yeah, the market is volatile today. Don't expect the price to hold anything. QBT. This when you have a big downside candle all across the board, we want DVLT to come down a little bit. That's the shit that we can buy more over there. $100 right here, $100. So 94.11. 94 point. Remember? Sooner or later it will come to 94.11. I told you this is where it will go. Shit. But the same problem as usual. When the market will be right at the buy point, most of people will have a margin call. They will not have money. That's always happens. Shit. So far is selling. Everything is selling off. Look, 687.51. The price target hit. That's why I tell you, have patience. If you keep poking me about your trade, I will ask you to close your trade. Because as soon as you are in profit, I have to take you out. Because I that panic is visible to me in your questions. When you ask the question, I know you are panicking. Right here, you see that 687. What was the price target on S&P 500? Last short position I told you, and I told you, you don't have enough short, you will regret. Look at this one, and now you will regret. Why did you close S&P 500 690 at just few dollar, $4 profit? I know the shit, how people think, how people react to the market. So where is S&P 500 short? Let me go to that one. 690 SPY short at 690.20. Hold till Friday. You see that? Nitin asked the question. We shorted here. Order filled 690. You see that? 690.20. What was the price target? I would have, well, look at this one. What was the price target? 687.95. Again, this was the same price target, 687.90. Where is the S&P 500 trading now? 687.90. Precise to the penny, not even 1 cent. Precise to the damn penny. And I told you, hold your trade before yesterday. When this BHAM username, he panicked. Oh my God, it's going against, and like, when in the trade, breathe, do meditation, do yoga, damn thing, and don't keep looking at the trade. Market need patience. Yeah, last night I was talking to my friend and I told her, do not damn touch your gold and silver. And she's been calling me every single day for last 10 days. Silver is going up, silver is going up, silver is going up. Here is your silver. Gone to hell, silver. Hold on, I need to take this call. The guy This is what happens after the Mag 7 earning. You know, the big earning are out. After that, they generally sell off the market. Any trade you take, make sure you take a downside trade. I've been saying again and again. A big bear AI yesterday, day before yesterday, we sold the covered call. So let those call expire. Do not close it for a small profit. They will expire worthless. Okay. GME covered call will expire worthless. Do not close it. Google 327 into iNote. What the hell is iNote? What the hell is wrong with this? Why is this is up 10%? Come on. 687. Let me search the word regret. Where is S&P 500 gone? $300, 389, 75, 314. 310. Come on. Put 100% waiting for $6 or more. Yep, we are waiting on this 94.11. That's the precise 94.11 we are waiting for. Yeah, now you want to short? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Who panicked yesterday over the short position on S&P 500? This guy. This guy. And now he want to short. Look at this one. 686. $4 in profit from our short position. And we end up closing at break even because few people in the group panic. And now the price will, you know where the price will go? I can guarantee you this will go to 684.46. $5.50 per share, 100 share, $500 profit. And we end up closing this trade at break even. Because when you panic, when you keep poking, I have to take you out from the trade. Yesterday, 2 or 3 people were shitting in the pant on S&P 500 short position. And within 24 hours, all trade are in profit. This is how market works. Understand the psychology. Learn. When you are in the trade and trade is against you, sign out. Go have a coffee. Do yoga. Do meditation. Hell with where the trade is going. Don't keep staring at it every second. Oh, it's going up to 680, 639 now. Oh, it's 47 now. Oh, it's 50 now. Stop that behavior if you want to make money out of stock market. Right here at this candle, I told you Algo has already picked up the short position. Yesterday, I covered it. I told you 698.34 that it's going to tank. And here it is. How can you ignore this Marubazu candle? Right here. Where was the Marubazu awareness? 4 hour daily. This one. How can you ignore this red candle here? Awareness Marubazu. That's a point that after 7 to 8 candle, the market sell off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I precisely told you 7 to 8 candle, the market will sell off. Hood 99.78, very good. Give us another $5 down. That's it. And we start the trade on this shit. Yep. I'm closing all the short call on coin for profit, and only the short call. Let's close, book the profit. They have lost almost a lot of value. Continue holding the rest of the trade. Just close the call. $919. Okay, very good. I'll take that. My 500 share of coin has gone in loss. Oh shit, 15,000. No, 20,000 together, almost 20,000. But I made 4,500 right now from the call. So that's cool. So something is better than nothing. All right, WIX is pulling back. WIX recovery has started. Pull back. Okay. Wave 3, wave 4. Make sure everyone has sold the covered on WIX. The WIX will pull back right here. WIX is due for pullback now. So sell the covered call. Algo picked up on 5 minutes. It's $2 to call. $2. Okay, shorting some extra call on WIX other than the covered. So just like 2 contract, not much, just for a few dollars. Okay, what's going on? Can I know the alert? Is it alert 15? All coin short call. Doesn't matter what alert you have. 15th of May, 19th of September. If you have a short call, get the hell out of those calls and let the stock recover. So right here, Rivian, continue holding. Rivian, what you are looking at? NVDA coin, number 15. Yes, it was number 15. You're right. So 14, 15. Both long put. No, long put you hold. Only short call. Long put is our defense line. Okay. We don't want to cut that. We are only cutting the short call. Okay. Long put, don't touch that. I know it's in profit. It's a solid profit, but we don't want to cut that. That's the defense line. You don't want it. After that, there is no protection from downside. We don't want to cut it. Just the call. So alert number 015, I'll give you that. So this one, where is that? Betrayal coin. When I put 210 call, short call. What was the short call here? This was not on 15. This was on 15th of May trade. Short call. Yeah. Not the 15. There is no short call. 15 is long synthetic. So we have long call, this one right here. 17 January 2025 by alert. Yeah, 015. Yes, you're right. No, that's Tesla. 015 is Tesla. Why are you confusing me? I'm talking about coin. 015 trade number was for Tesla. Or did we messed up? Here's something. This would have been 16. Damn shit. This trade, I clearly mentioned you, this 190 put, okay? There was a reason to add this put, and this was the reason, because if 30th of January, if the crypto sell off and the market goes down, where do the circle to go? Circle will go, circle is selling off because of the crypto today. So today's sell off is an opportunity for you to sell the put, short sell the put on circle. Okay, exactly same low 64, 64 gap and recovery. If you look at the chart, this was already pinpointed. It will leave the gap and it will go. So overall bullish, like moving forward. Today, yes, it's in trouble. So only trade you do on circle is short put. Nothing else. In this area, even if $4 recovery tomorrow will put you in a small profit. Mara is back in a buy zone. Hood is 99.68. We need it. We need it 94. Come on, drop another 5% hood. Everything is bleeding today. It's like a. Look at this shit. Why this stock was trading at 550? I don't understand. What a scam. What a scam, Michael said. At this point, it looks like the Chanos was right about this shit, you know. And I was wondering that he shot it at 254. When he opened the short position, the price was very low. 254, you don't go to, like, you don't short something at 254 after the previous low is broken right here. You know, I was surprised he took a short position right here, 254, and then after that it keep tanking. That was really bad. Can we have a recovery here now? Oversold all across the board. You see the coin oversold here. This is where last time it was oversold at this point. So 230 it was oversold and then bounced to 283, $50 bounce. Again we are oversold, so we should get a bounce. Not today. I don't think so. Tomorrow we'll have a bounce. Next week we should see, because the price is still in divergence downside. If you look at the volume down here, so this down here, okay, then the volume will start recovering. So something like this, and then go up in below above the zero line. So we are kind of, this is what we are looking at. So I think today the coin will not recover. Okay, so we have, this is the area that we are looking at, then the price declining and going upwards. So we have, I think Monday we should see some recovery. Showing a little bit of sign on a 5-minute. Yep. 1985. $7.23. 2. 25 weeks, 20th of March. So this is $2.23, and that's 43. This gives me 10. 152, 152. Okay. I've started another credit spread on Wix. Okay, now. Very good. 23. Okay. Is it selling off? Coming into profit. $8, $2. Okay. Time to add hood? Yes. Not right now. It's still too early. If you want to scalp, you can do the scalp. I see the clear this candle. The price will definitely go up from here like this, but it's only like $2, nothing much. So if you are looking for a scalp of $2 on hood, you can do it here, targeting this high right here. Okay. But if you're looking at scalp, this is 5-minute time frame, means you will be closing your trade today itself. So $200 you can make on 100 share right here, going long position. Next candle will definitely be green. Okay. And the price will bounce here. Right at this candle. The current candle is the spread candle. How do we know that? Look at here. The volume down. Volume has almost ended. No one is interested to sell their product. You see that? Sell, heavy sell off, sell off, sell off. The red candles on the volume means selling is declining. Selling is declining, and we have a drop. We have a spread candle, means buyer and seller struggling. And then suddenly the buyer will take over. The green candle will be here, visible. Within next 2 candles, you see a green candle on the volume bar. Literally next 10 minutes, the green candle will come. So scalping is okay, otherwise not. We are looking to take a big trade on this. And that will only happen at 94.11. Tesla 416. No one is more bearish than me on Tesla, unless it goes to 303.13. We really need one insider demand here before it goes down. It should go something like that. This is not the right setup. Like, give us an internal demand and then sell off. Okay, earning is coming. If this company better blow up the earning, I'm telling you. Bloody damn, it's too undervalued at this point. What is the P ratio here? Coin P ratio is approximately 30. Okay, 30.60, 17x. Yeah, looks undervalued to me. Approximately 8.8 on 29 to 27. So 17-18 P ratio is good. P ratio 32, 33. What's the industry overall? What's the stock against the coin? Circle P ratio. I don't think it will be negative here on Circle. Circle is negative, yeah, negative 25 around. Okay, so what parameter which other stock we can look for? Coin, P ratio, and industry ratio. Okay, so P ratio roughly around 17 to 36, signaling a premium valuation compared to some industry benchmark. Financial, miscellaneous, service industry, P ratio around 11 to 26, P ratio 17 to 30. Okay. Is Cathywood buying coin at this price? Judge. Yep, that's what I think. I exactly think the sell-off before the news dump. That's what I was thinking. By afternoon, like 3 o'clock, they're voting. So by 4, I'm expecting crypto to turn green. My trade on BTC is Solana long. That's the only trade I have. I have like other trade in a spot account. But copy trade, I have Solana long. That's it. It's two down, two down, two down, two down. The P ratio TTM, book value per share. Okay, 50, 40. Interpretation price. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Yeah. So, okay. So return then shoot up 25%. Coin should be undervalued in this area. What the hell is going on? They keep messing with Europe. Oh boy, someone need to fax. Millions of people need to fax to Trump office. We are tired of winning. Please stop. We are tired of winning. Let us survive now. There should be 1 million facts. Just write on a blank paper. We are tired of winning. Oh shit. You can't do it the past trade. Oh shit. Let's tweet. Let's tweet, huh? The dollar is going to collapse. Peter Schiff. Yeah, you idiot. Every single day he has a new story. At POT POTAS. This is the real account. Oh, shit. Let's go. We are tired of winning. Stop the market now. Time to troll Trump. Huh? Hold your position as it is. Sell some call. Don't do anything. Don't panic. Don't close anything at loss. It's a normal market behavior. Let's see what they are up to. And two people in the group, remember that you made us close S&P 500 short position at break even. Don't forget, don't blame me. You made us to close that position. The one who was shitting in their pant yesterday. And look at the price. 685, and 100 times I have told you it will go to 666.39. This is not enough drop in the S&P 500. Market will go to 666.39 right here. We'll take the previous liquidity sooner or later. This point, this is the minimum drop of the stock market. Even the God himself comes down, cannot stop it. $195 coin. What the hell is this? Stop. You're oversold on daily. Okay, 200 EMA right now on a weekly basis. Okay, what's the question? No, we are not taking long here. Long is a big no-no. We will wait for the recovery and then we short again. Okay. Yesterday, I clearly mentioned, and I mentioned multiple times when these two people were panicking, I told you, you will regret not having enough short position on S&P 500. Yesterday, I told you. It's fine. This is how it works. You learn a lesson when you see it exactly happening and you are not in the trade. $685, we shorted at 690.20, $5. Everyone was printing dollar. This was free money on the table. We left it. Yes, you learn to control your emotions when you are in a trade. You will not win in the market. Please understand this. It's never too late. It will go up and we will short again. But make sure again, if we short, let's say now, what price will be shorting again? Okay. So 4-hour time frame, 690 area will be shorting again. Again, same area, point of control line, which is 693. So 693 will be the next short. 693.18 wave B. And after 693, if it goes to 700, don't damn panic. $200 EMA, I think here we'll take the bounce off right here. 684.82 area, and we should see the recovery in wave B. DVLT 68, we are not buying yet. Let it come a little bit more. I see the support line building up here, which is the previous low. So we wait a little bit more here. 66. Island top. It will break down this point. It will break downside. I'm 100% sure here. We only average out at 0.51, or we don't average out. It's simple. There is this trend line coming from here. Okay, this is the kind of an angle, and then this portion will repeat. Right here, 150. Back to same price, target equal high. All right. NVDA 186. NEO 468. NEO is back where it all started. Neo. What? Neo, what's the trade that for Neo hour? Come on. 84, yeah. Bitcoin 84. Gold, silver are not tanking, just a paper manipulation. Yep. Physical gold, no one wants to buy in this world. It's over. The price is unsustainable. Every time you see the the gold and silver pumping. Gold and silver are in FOMO. You need to understand. That's where the FOMO is. Oh my God, people are thinking, oh, let me buy, let me buy. There is a lot of demand in EV, this and that. On the other hand, the electric car, the sales is dropping. So don't really get influenced by the news. You know? Silver miner, I don't even know that who the hell is silver miner. Big no. We only know the Bitcoin miner now. Ignore the noise, my friend. I've told you multiple. Ignore the noise on silver and gold. Ignore the noise. Silver and gold will not make you rich. Not going to happen. Game over. We bought it silver at 37. I told you that when I added the position. I got out a little early. That's fine. Small position, small profit out. I did not make as much as I could have. But that's how it works. Tesla weekly 200 EMA 283. You see that Tesla? That's why I tell you when the price drop, look at on weekly basis where Tesla is 200 EMA. 200 EMA is roughly here on a weekly, and price will come here. Why it will not come? $300. Nothing can stop this price to come here. It's highly overvalued, 420. Still, we have like the Tesla 30% downside. Okay, let me execute a trade. So 15th of May. Okay, trade. So another 15 minutes, we'll stop the stream at 11:30. Okay, then we'll be in Discord. We have adjusted the trade. We are holding. Do not panic on anything. There's nothing much to do. Whatever profit we got from the coin call is good. We are covered on WIX. Okay, coin, WIX, neo. Okay, sell 1082. All right, go on. Buy, you piece of shit. Take the order. Damn shit. No. Don't compete with me, boys. I can crash the price my own. Don't try. I will keep going penny by penny. Don't try that shit with me. Don't try. Don't try. You have no idea. You have no idea. Don't try that trick with me. Okay, where is this? S&P 500, 687. You see that? The bounce? Boom. That's why. And I told you, don't go long. Even if the price is going up now, 685 to 687, don't go long. When you overall you are expecting the market a big pullback, you don't take any long position. Okay. Now let the price recover and be ready for the short sell again. Okay. This is how market works. So we have a recovery right here. We mark the candle. Algo picked up. Value area low. The first short entry will be precisely 694.43. That's where we will short. So right here, 694.43, Fibonacci retracement golden zone, 200 EMA rejection, wick right here, 200 EMA. So 694.43, we will short again. At this time, if you panic, don't damn take the trade. I'm telling you, don't take the trade if you short. If you are in the trade and you panic. Or next time, I will not answer that question. 694.43. Okay, and I'll give you the price target right away where the next crash will happen. So I go to 30-minute. So this is where we are shorting 694.93. Okay, and we'll be closing our position at 689.12 because next time it won't come to this price. It will have an insider low. Okay, 689.12. Weekly basis, SPY. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Why the hell this market will not crash? Tell me. Give me one reason the price will not sell off here. Okay, 200 EMA is damn here on weekly basis, 531, which is at this order block. I have no idea what the hell will happen to this world if this order block fills. Oh shit. On a weekly basis. No, so it's not happening tomorrow. There is nothing to panic. But it's on weekly basis. Weekly basis, we are looking around 3-4 months down the line, which is most likely September. Okay. This is the kind of action we are looking at. Oh shit. That's why I keep saying every pump you short the market. I have told you at least 1,000 times. Market has reached to a level where you need to short only. You don't buy the damn thing. Neo price spin. Okay, Neo from this candle will go up once again. Okay, right next candle. Oh, it's 1 week. No. Okay, hold on. 1 week we don't need. All right, Neo is going up. Very good. So 3.7%, 7, 6, 7, 10. Heart is not filling. Come on, you damn piece of shit. This is what I hate. I'm selling for 77 cents. People are buying for 76, and no one is buying just for 1 cent. 1 cent they don't want to pay. 1 cent per share. People are bloody 920 order at 76. I'm the only seller 10 contract at 77. Okay, I'll sell it 76 because now the price is recover. Okay, so the price will go up. A 5-minute time frame, price bouncing, T-mark cross, scalping. So this is how you scalp. You see the candle? Boom. Scalper need to sit in 5-minute time frame, no matter what stock you are trading. And there is nothing beat EMA. Okay, so 5-2. I'll close this trade right here. So $24. 24.2. I'm getting about 24 here, which means 188. 188. Yes, it will fill. Order filled precisely. So even though it's a bad day, but I have closed nice profit. So 153. I'm losing about $6 here. So 153, 6, 147, 147. I'll sell it for 145. 145 gives me 145 gives me 816, 6, 852, 6, 146. Okay, 146. I will sell 2. Not filling up. I'll go for 145. Okay, all filled. All right, very nice. So that is filled. That is filled. That's 9. Okay, another $40. Okay, 40 is good. Something is better than nothing. Okay, cool. TSLA, Amazon. These two trade will settle tomorrow for profit. We are quite happy with this. All right, Neo, can you show a little bit of love from here and go to this price target right here once again, right here. Do it in next 45 minutes. Okay, I'll stop the stream. I'll be in Discord. Is it possible to see 180 on hood? 180 upside on the hood? No, it's not going to happen. It's too much. So the maximum on the hood you are looking upside is right here, right here, right here, right here. This high area right here. You see that right here. The previous high, when the price is below, understand there is a concept, okay? So I'll teach you something and then you will have a little bit of clarity. When the price is below the previous high, it's below, right? So it's called market momentum shift. So the price is downward here. Where is the resistance now? Is exactly this point is your resistance. So that's it. 140 is the resistance. After that, we don't know it will break out or it won't break out. Okay. Where is the downside support line? Right here. Because that's where the price bounced last time. Again, market structure downside right here, 94.23. So where is the support here? This price is falling. This price, which is falling continuously, this is where the support is, 94. Once we break down, again, we don't know. If the support broken, we don't know. It will take 90, 91, 92. It can drop a few more dollars. We don't know where it will stop. Because after that, there is nothing. There is no support line here. Okay. So after the previous low, there is the expected trend is liquidity grab right here and bounce. So means sweep under this point, wick and bounce. Upside. So I'm looking at range bound here, this area, which is 94 to 140. 160, 180 is a big no-no. It's not going to happen. So hood. $94.11 to $140. This is what I'm looking at. That's it. Always look for the range. Price generally go in a range. Okay, they don't travel just like random stuff. And I can show you right now on the coin. Why? Despite the price is selling, what do you see? There will be a range definitely right here. So look at this one. You see that despite we bought the entry at the support line and then the price sell off even further. Okay. So what is going on here? The price is an extension. What is the extension right here? Point number 1, point number 2. This is wave 3, point number 4, and point number 5. So you have the Elliott wave completed at equal low. So equal low, wave 5. This was the expected bottom. Okay. There's no way to know that oh, this must be the bottom. So this would have been the bottom of coin. Right at $230, and then the price should have started recovering. And right here, if you look carefully, exactly that's where the momentum candle came. Means that's where the buy happened, and then it failed. So now what is this? Now this is in extension. So 1 and 1.68. If from here, if you measure the entire run, and this is your 1 point right here, this will be 1.168 by default. Okay, I'll show you. So if this was the high, you take the Fibonacci retracement. This is what? So let's take the box. So if this was the box here, this is from 0.618 to 0.18. And this box is the exact drop from this point. You see that right here? Look. So that's the precise right here. It's extension. That's how you know where the price is, where the chances are. So right here are the chances for the price to bounce back, because we are in extension. Now, this extension is not a random spot. This extension is coming from this order block right here, this order block right here. You see this? And if you drag this, this is what you get right here. The price is right within this. So they always travel between the pivots. So we are at the bottom, I think. We will not go to this point on the coin. Okay, we'll not go to this area, which is 140 area, because that becomes so obvious and market doesn't go in a so obvious. Another reason is I can show you why the price will not go there. Let me give you this as well. Why the price will not go to this point. There's a reason for that. This is the lowest point right here. So look at the high here, this high here, and measure the gap between this point. So this point to this point, this was the gap. Now bring this gap down here and look. So right here, the price is 186, 190 area and shoot up. So this is like expected. We are almost at the bottom and it need to recover. And right at this point, what do you see? RSI, the stock is oversold on a daily basis. So from here, all you need is a patience, nothing else. So right here, you see that oversold, the blue cloud on the RSI right here, then $50 bounce, again blue cloud, again bounce. So just all you need is a patience for a couple of days and you should be good. 100% run from this point. Okay. The bottom has to be in this area, You see this low of this candle. This is what I will consider as a bottom on the, let me give you the horizontal line so you understand. There are a lot of reference point on the chart right here. You see that this was the bottom. And look at how precisely this is. Why the precise point came here? Why only this candle? This was our principal candle where the price was range bound. If you pay close attention, now you just remember this candle and the previous candle, and I'll show you what's going on here. When you master the technical analysis, you know a lot of stuff. It's not bad. Okay, you know. So this, when the price started going up, momentum candle with momentum, this was the first candle where the price was sideline and then breakout. So this area, the price did not fail. It was sideline, means it was consolidating before the big breakout. Okay. And that's where the consolidation was again, right here. You see that 100% run given up by the chart. So that's where I'm expecting the bottom on the coin. Anytime, today, tomorrow, Monday, stock should mark the bottom and start giving us a run. And where is the run? Right here. First point, horizontal support line, 298. This one, horizontal resistance, this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look here, this yellow line has a meaningful SR interchange here. I'll draw it for you once again. So right here, horizontal, you see that every time price comes to this yellow line, it had a reaction. So here rejected, price was down, has a resistance, breakout with the momentum candle, came back, support bounce, support bounce, support bounce, support bounce, support bounce, then failed, and now. So this is the minimum target, $301. So all you need is time. That's it. Panic doesn't make you money in stock market. 688 right here, we were bouncing, very good. So let the shit bounce to 694 and be ready to short. Okay. And please, for God's sake, if you have a panic button, don't take a trade. Please do us a favor, rest of us, those who want to make money, those who want to stay in the trade. 2 of the people in the group last night, they were like literally in a short position, S&P 500. Everyone was making like $500 this morning. And we end up closing it early because when you panic in the group, I get influence. I get a little bit of influence of that. My psychology, my fear and greed, it get triggered. You need to understand. It's not easy to deal with 100 people behavior. That's why sometimes I tell you that sign out and go home, because I don't want you to panic and make me take some bad trade. So I'll close the stream. We'll be in Discord. No new trade. Don't trade anything today. Tomorrow, most likely, we'll be shorting some put. Okay, because the market is selling off. Put premium are building up. Tomorrow, we'll be shorting some put. All right. Thanks. Bye. If you have a question, go in the Discord.